Hello and welcome to the best $800 gaming PC build of the month for October 2021, brought to you by NewbComputerBuild.com. My name is Corey. Again, if you've tuned into the other videos, you might know that I've split the gaming PC builds of the month up into their individual budgets this month, just so you know. So you can check out the other ones if you're interested in a different budget or different builds or different setups and stuff like that. So you can check out the $1,500, $1,000, $500, or this $800 one, or visit the site at newbcomputerbuild.com, where they're also compiled there as well as other builds and gaming PC build information and other PC build reviews and stuff. But yeah, so if you have any questions about this build, leave a comment in the comment below. Otherwise, let's get started. And just the caveat, $800 gaming PC build, that means it should be around $800, but realistically, with the current situation with graphics cards that are way above MSRP prices, it's going to be a little more than that. But it'll be kind of a sliding scale depending on where you can find a graphics card and what it's currently priced at. Cards are available now, but you got to do a little bit of fishing. So just a caveat before the build. If anyone has any tips and tricks on where to find GPUs this month, leave them in the comments below, as well, as I'm sure other folks will find that will appreciate that as well. All right, let's get started. The $800 gaming PC build. This build is for those that want to game smoothly at high settings and FPS at 1080p resolutions in most games. So this is who this build would be for. So the CPU we have this month is the AMD Ryzen 3 3300X, which is a phenomenal budget CPU. This comes in at $210. It also comes with the stock cooler, the Race Stealth cooler, which is included in that cost as well. The motherboard we have is the MSI Arsenal Gaming B450 and Bazooka. Motherboard $92.08. This one's a little unique for a budget board, as it does come with Wi-Fi, which is not the usual with kind of more budget boards, by the way. Let's move on. The graphics card that we suggest this month is the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT, currently priced out at $729.99 and is available at the beginning of the month. Keeping in mind MSRP is $279.99. So if you can get it lower, get it lower. If this is a little too expensive for you at the moment, alternative cards could be ones like these below here to bring it down to more of what your budget is more realistically at, considering you're watching the $800 gaming PC build of the month video. But at the beginning of the month, I found the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Super for $499.99. Performs less, a little more budget friendly though, or GTX 1650 for $339.99. So a little more budget there as well. If you want to get a card right away, that's a little more cheap. For memory for this build, we have a Crucial Ballistics 3600 MHz 16 GB kit of memory for $84.99. Storage, a Crucial P2 500 GB NVMe SSD, $49.99. Power supply is this a PVS 600 watt Prestige gold rated power supply, $49.99. And this beautiful case to bring it all together, the Zelman S4, $52.99. If you want to save a little more, I know it's $52. You can probably get a case for about $20 less. That looks a little not as good as this one, but just to keep that in mind if you're really trying to maximize your budget this month. But this is a solid case with good airflow, and it is still considered a budget case as well. The price of this build this month, if you wanted to go all out and just purchase as is with what's available right now, would be $1,270. So a little expensive for that $800. But if you bring it down to the more affordable GPUs, if it's more around MSRP, it'd be $820 at the moment. So that's if you really want to bring it down close to there, you would have to consider a more budget GPU, by the way. But these are available at the moment, and this is what they cost. Down to some alternatives. If you have more money to spend, even after buying your GPU, this is what you could spend it on with this build, or some upgrade ideas for the future. CPU, you can get an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, $272.66, also comes with a cooler. Another graphics card suggestion could be for only $849.99 right now and available is the Radeon RX 6700 XT. If you wanted a really cool case, pardon the pun, the Cooler Master Silencio S600 is a pretty cool case, $121.99. And then then the storage we have is the Crucial P2 1 terabyte. If you want to upgrade your storage capacity, you can go with this one, $86.99. All right, that does it for the $800 gaming PC build of the month. If you want to keep up to date with these builds every single month, hit a like and subscribe, or visit the site, newbcomputerbuild.com. And if you have a different budget, check out those videos as well. Otherwise, if you have any questions, leave a comment, and best of luck building your next gaming PC.